My name is Jakub Stadnik. At Newcastle University I was studying fine art for 4 years, and after I graduated I decided to follow my path as a master's student in entrepreneurship at UCL. I've been always defining myself as a multidisciplinary artist. My biggest passion is for sculpture. This is what I'm specializing in, but at the moment I'm defining myself as a creative entrepreneur with passion for art and creativity. I think my favorite memories of Newcastle University were all of those busy days full of opportunities. So I'm coming from a very small city. When I came here, I was like, wow, there is an exhibition, there is a networking event, there I can make some new friends, or there is like a workshop. My days were like so packed and like spending a lot of time in the studio, but also at university and in Newcastle. I felt like alive, being alive and always doing so much exciting, lovely things. Everything started during COVID when I had the existential crisis and I had to abandon my studio in Newcastle, but it was a really great time to start reflecting and thinking, okay, how can I adapt? So for most of my life I've been an artist. However, I've noticed that in me there was always this innovative entrepreneurial spark. And I had my first startup here in Newcastle. I was running a lot of exhibitions and communities, but then I decided to move to London and follow my path in a way that I wanted to scale up, reach out to more people and empower more people. That's why I started my second startup, which is Table for Art, where I connect the artists with London venues to have those collaborations as art workshops. Currently, with Table for Art, we are already organizing the first workshops. We are inviting the artists and the venues. My course, Studying Entrepreneurship, is very relevant because everything I'm learning there, I'm applying. Once I graduate, I want to go full-time into this Table for Art project and think, okay, how we can start in London, how we can later expand to UK, and think how we can empower not only the artists, but all of those creatives who have the passion, they have the skills, and they can actually share it with other people. So there is this opportunity to think about being more creative, but also I'm constantly trying to be more innovative, experiment, and see what the future will bring. So, if you are interested in entering the creative sector, usually there are so many opportunities. You have to proactively look for them, and there are some open calls, there are some job applications you can do, there are maybe some exhibitions. For sure, talk a lot with other people, networking, but sometimes you might realize that some doors are being shut, sometimes it's like difficult to enter. That is the reality. On one hand, you can just never give up, keep trying. In my case, I was also trying to adapt and seek my own opportunities. Be the person creating the opportunities for yourself and for other people. So I really encourage this proactive approach and thinking, instead of how the world looks like, how you can create a new reality you would like to see in the world.